Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. In this tech tutorial video, we're going to show you how you can mute tabs, specific tabs in Microsoft Edge. So let us dive into this. Alright guys, so if you'd like to mute tabs here on Edge without muting your entire sound on your device, on your computer, this is how we can do this. Navigate to Edge, and all you need to do is, let me just navigate to an example page like this one here. Right click into the tab. It works pretty much the same way as on most other browsers, and here select the option Mute Tab. You may also use the shortcut Control M, so let me do that. And there you go. Now to unmute it, right click into the tab again, select Unmute. Now if you mute it, there won't be any audio or sound coming from that tab, but only from that one tab, guys. It's not a general muting for your entire Edge. So if you have, for example, audio on this tab, it will still be played or will be heard, unlike the audio and sound from that muted tab here. That's it, guys. Thanks for watching. Hope you enjoyed it, got some value from it, and we'll catch you later.